Hello, magandang araw mga kalagalag. Ito na naman po ang inyong lagalagnaguro at sa araw na to ay itutuloy natin ang discussion tungkol sa solving systems of equation by graphing. So tapos na po tayo sa dalawa pang method, yung substitution and elimination. So ngayon po yung pangatlo by graphing. So ano po yung mga concepts na malalaman natin sa topic na ito. So today, our goal is to solve system of equation by graphing. So, mag-graph po tayo. Okay? So, yun po. Hindi ko po pala na-play. Yan. So, solving system of equation by graphing po tayo. So, solve na po kaagad tayo. Okay? So, we have two equation. Actually, 4 problems here. 4 po yan. Ayan po. Isosolve po natin yan lahat. Okay? So, ayun. So, ano po yung mga concepts na kailangan natin dito sa mga ganitong problem? Okay? So, ang una po nating concept na aalamin ay yung slope-intercept form na equation. So, ano po ba yun? So, kung naaalala nyo po, yung slope-intercept form na equation po is y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so ano pong sense niyan? So kasi po, from here, ma-identify natin yung B, saka ma-identify natin yung M. So if you notice, nandito lang po yung Y, so nandito yung variable X mo. So what will happen? Ito po, i-rewrite lang natin na parehas nito. So how are we going to do it? So ilipat po natin yung 3x sa other side. So, this is negative y, maiwan po siya dyan, is equal to negative 3x plus 4. Pero po, negative po yung y. So, you are to multiply everything by negative 1. Okay po? So, pagkatapos po niyon, ay magiging positive y na po siya. So, negative y times negative 1 is positive y is equal to positive 3x. Negative 3x times negative 1 is positive 3x. So, positive 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So, meron ka na po ngayong parang kalimbawa nito. So, you can now easily identify what is M, what is B. So, but ano po ba yung B sa kayong M? Okay? Ano po ba yung B sa kayong? Okay, so ano po muna yung B and M? So, para malaman po natin ano yung B and M, B and M, B po is the y-intercept. So, pag y-intercept po, saan nga lang siya makikita? Sa y lang. So, kasi po, ang x niya is 0. Okay? So, yung B natin, this is your y-intercept. Okay? So, siya po yung inyong y-intercept. Okay? So, C pala yan, C. C po yan as C. So, y-intercept. So, how about yung M po natin? Yung M po natin is your slope. So, ano po yung slope? Yan po yung rise and run. It can be positive or negative. Okay, so yan po yung rise over run. Rise over run. Okay, over run. So, usually, this is a fraction. Kung ang M nyo po ay walang a whole number, that is automatic 1. Later on, makikita nyo po yon. So, gagawa po natin ng over 1. So, this is going up if your rise or your numerator is positive, and this is going down if your numerator is negative, and your run is always to the right. Okay? So, yun po yung mga hint nyo. So, ano yan? So, dito po, we can now identify RB. RB now here is, ano po, negative for you. So, don't forget to, lagi pong kasama yung sign dito ha. So, your M now here is, okay, di ba? 3 po. That is a whole number. So, pag whole number po, automatic, that is over 1. Okay, so yan na po. Meron na kayong rise and run. This is positive, therefore, ano pong gagawin natin dyan? Positive kaya going up. So, anong gagawin po natin dyan? We need a coordinate system. Okay po. Ayan, meron tayo dapat ganyan. So, ano po ang kailangan natin dyan? Pag may ganyan po tayo. So, B stands for beginning. Beginning, ibig sabihin yun po yung first point nyo. Kasi we need 2 points in order to form a line. Di po ba? So, ano po yung first point? Yun po yung beginning. So, at tulad ng sinabi ko, RB will be located. Saan nyo po makikita yan? Sa y-axis lang po. Or because it is also called your y-intercept. So, your B is negative 4, therefore, ito po siya. Okay? So, where will be your second point? So, kailangan nyo na po dyan yung M. So, this is 3 over 1, therefore, this is positive, this is going up. So, how many times? 3 times. So, 1, 2, 3. So, yan po yung una, yung going up. Then, to the right, how many times? So, your denominator is 1, so 1. So, dyan po siya. So, saan po galing yung 3 over 1? 1, 2, 3, 1. So, let's have 3 points. Isa pa po, 1, 2, 3, your numerator, then run. Your run is always to the right. Sulat nga po ng sinabi ko dun sa definition. Ito po, pag positive, going up, pag negative, going down, and your run is always to the right. So, meron na po tayong first line. Okay? So, yan na po. Meron po tayong okay po. So, I'll just put an arrow here. Okay? So, how about this is your the graph of your first equation. So, our second equation is 7x plus 2y is equal to 18. So, try po natin yung isolve. So, that is 7x plus 2y. Ganon din po, magta-transpose lang po kayo. Equals 18. Okay, so how about this one? So, lipat nyo lang po sa other side yung isang, yung value equals 7x. That is negative 7x pala kasi positive yan. So, plus 18. So, kailangan po yung y natin. Y lang po siya dyan. Wala siyang katabi. I mean, the numerical coefficient should be 1. So, this is 2. What will you do? So, we will divide every terms by 2. Okay, so 2 para po maging 1 yung numerical coefficient ng y. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, hindi na po natin yan sinusulat. Understood, that is 1 here. So, this is negative 7x over 2 plus 9. Okay po. So, from there, though this is a fraction, kaya po natin yan. So y is Your B rather, B is positive 9. So 9 po tayo mag-start. Then your M is, ano yan? Yung number lang po, walang katabing letter. Negative 7 over 2. So, ganyan po yan. So, saan po yan? Ngayon, dahil hanggang ano lang po tayo, okay, babaguhin ko lang po ito dahil masyadong lalaki po yung graph natin. So, nilakihan ko po yung units. Ginawa kong tigda-dalawa. Okay, yung una po natin is negative 4. Tapos, 1, 2, 3. So, 1 here. 1, 2, 3. 1 here. Okay. So, then I'll draw a line here. Ay, madalas po talaga hindi ko nasasaktuhan eh. Yun, nasaktuhan ko rin. Boom. Okay, so yan po yung ating first, yung kanina pa po. Okay, so yung pangalawa po, this is positive 9. So, nasan po siya? Ayan po. Positive 9. So, this is negative 7. So, are we going up or are we going down? So, kanina po sinabi ko kapag negative ang numerator, so we are going down. So, how many times? 7. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, dito po siya. Then, how many times po tayo magra-run? 2 times. So, 1, 2. So, makikita nyo po, ito po yung intersection nilang dalawa. So, 2, 2, 4, 6, 7, 1, 2. So, ito po yung pangatlong point. Okay? So, if you will notice, there is an intersection of points. Meron po tayong intersection ng point. Right? So, hindi ko na po isakto. Kasi ulitin ko na naman mag-uwit eh. Okay? So, ano po yung intersection ng points na sinasabi ko? Ito po, pareha sila ng value. So, what is that? Ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Ano pong value niyan? So, that is 2 and 2. Tama po ba? So, 2 and 2, that point, these 2 points are the solution. These 2 points, x and y, are the solutions to your equation. So, how will you know it's a solution? So, let's check. So, when you check that, when you substituted 2 and 2 here, you will be getting a true statement. So, because these 2 points, it tells you that these two are the solutions, or these are the pair to your 2 equations. So, yung intersection na yun. So, let's check if what I'm saying is true. So, let us check. So, let's use first the first equation, 3x minus y. So, I was saying, 2 over 2 is your solution set. So, let us check that to our first equation, which is y is equal to 3x minus 4. Y is 3x. 3x minus y is equal to 4. So, 3x, how will you check? You will substitute. 3x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so we will substitute the values. these two values to our x and y here. So 3 times 2. So in order for us to know that these two are solutions to our equation, we should get a true statement. Ibig sabihin ng true po, equal dapat yan. So pag nag-substitute ako. Okay? Okay? So this is 4. Okay? So this is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So, therefore, okay po. So, this is 6 minus 2 is, okay, gagayahin ko lang to 4. So, 6 minus 2 is 4. So, we have a true statement. Therefore, our solution set is true. So, just to verify if these two numbers are also solution to our second equation. So, let's again substitute 7x plus 2y. So, 7x plus 2y. Okay, so we are just checking, So, by checking kasi po, dun yung malalaman if your answer is correct. If you will be getting a true answer, a true solution. So, 7x, so that is 2, right? Your x is 2 plus 2. 2, your y is 2. So, this is 18, right? Okay po. So, this is 14 plus 4 equals 18. So, this is 18 is equal to 18. So, therefore, our answer is correct. Okay? So, let's proceed now. Let's proceed to our second problem, our second example. Okay? So, we have x plus y is equal to 5. So, from there, you can easily transpose this. Kayang-kaya po natin. So, ano po maging itsura nito? It will become, you transpose positive x to the other side. So, that is negative x plus 5. And similarly, so let us, sige, yung isa na lang muna. So, y is equal to negative x plus 5. Okay, this is your first equation. So, your next step is to identify your b because you need b and m in order to plot the points and in order to draw the graph. So, your b here is positive 5. Okay? So, how about this one? Ma'am, there are no numbers. So, what is the invisible number that we are not writing beside x? That is understood, that is the numerical coefficient of x. And that is negative. This is negative 1. So, sabi ko nga po, if you have a number and you don't have a denominator, that is always over 1. Okay? So, from there, you have your graph. Okay? You have your graph po. Okay? So, how about that? So, from there, ang gagawin nyo po is i-plot na. So, where is B? So, this is positive. So, makikita nyo po siya sa taas. Right? Okay, so this is negative 1. So, you are going down 1 unit downward. You are going down 1 unit or 1 unit downward. Then, you are going to run 1 unit to the right. So, this is 1, 1. So, your second point is here. 1, 1. Your third point is here. 1, 1. Your fourth point is here. 1, 1. Your fifth point is here. if I will be extending, kung i-extend po natin to dito sa x-axis, oops, sorry. Oops. Yan. Okay, if I will be extending it there, so your x-intercept is positive 5 as you have as you will see, as you see here, kasi if y x-intercept, your y is 0. Okay, so there, that is your graph for that equation. Okay, so how about the second point, the second graph? Okay, so your second equation is 2x plus 7y. Oh, let me change the color. Let's make this green. So that is 7y. I will transpose it now to the other side. Negative 2x, right? Plus 0. Okay? So wala kang ano. So from there, we will be removing. Okay, kahit po wala kayong nasusolve dyan, diretso yan. So, 7 divided by 7 is y, 1y rather. So, this is negative 2 over 7 x plus 0. So, I'm putting 0 because gusto ko makita nyo pa rin siya para you can identify what is b, which is, tanan, 0. And your m as negative, ano po, negative 2 over 7. Okay? So, is that true? Negative 2 over 7. Okay? So, your B, your y-intercept is 0. So, saan nyo po yan makikita? So, dito po, di ba? Sa origin. Okay? So, dyan po siya. So, negative 2, is it upward or downward? Upward. Downward rather. So, 1, 2. So, how many runs? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need space here. Okay. Asan ka? We need space here and kailangan ko po itong habaan. Feeling ko lang. Okay, para po later on, makita nyo yung points. So, dapat yan ay tumatama sa mga one run. Okay? Diba? 1 down, 1 run, 1 down, 1 run. So, yun po. So, 7. So, negative 2. So, downward. Diba po? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, this is the intersection of points. So, I don't need to expand it to get the third point pa. Hindi ko na po kukunin kasi ang haba. So, yan na po yung itsura niya. So, manonotice nyo po na yan po. So, ano po yan? Ano pong point yan? So, that is your solution. So, ano pong mga point yan? So, that is positive 7 x and your y is negative 2. So, that is your answer po. So, how to check that if our statement is true? Okay, so let's use our first equation. checking. So this is x plus y, right? Is equal to 5. So, paano po natin malalaman na ang 7 and negative 2 is they are correct solution to our two equations? Dapat po ang makuha nating statement dito is true. So, how will we know if it's true? Parehas po sila ng sagot. So, dapat ang makuha kong value dito sa left side is 5 din. So, x is 7. So, y is negative 2. Okay, so kita nyo po na they are equal. So, 5 is equal to 5. So, therefore, 7 and negative 2 is a solution to your first equation. So, how about our second equation? So, 2x, rather, I will not write the parentheses anymore. So, 2x plus 7y equals 0. So, dapat po 0 yung makuha nating sagot. So, 2 times 7 plus 7 negative 2, right? So, that is 14. So, that is 0. Okay? So, paano po naging 0 yan? That is positive 14. Positive 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Okay, so 0. Then 14 minus 14 is 0. Then 0. So therefore, 7 and negative 2 are solutions to our two equations. Okay? So you have questions po? I will no longer answer the other two problems, but you can ask me, write it in papakita ko po sa inyo yung problem na dalawa so you can solve it. Okay? So just watch it again, then you solve it, you try solving it. Okay? So I give you 5 seconds to copy that or 10 seconds. Sige. Okay? Because sa haba na po masyado yung video natin, pag sinolve ko pa po yung dalawa na yan. Okay, just solve it on your own. Then, you can message me sa Facebook page po ni Lagalagnaguro. Meron din po siya. Lagalagnaguro din po ang pangalan ng Facebook niya. Or you can message me sa comment section po ng ating YouTube. Okay? So, para ma-check po natin kung tama po yung sagot nyo. Pwede nyo po yung i-PM sa akin sa Facebook sa Lagalagnaguro. Okay? So, that's it. Okay? Yun na po yun. So, here are our references. I will be putting this in the description box of this tutorial video para po makapag-solve po kayo. Number 3 has a series of problems na with answers na pwede nyo pong i-pattern yung mga gawa nyo. So, wag nyo po munang titingnan yung sagot. Siyempre, para po naman may thrill na nasagutan nyo yun on your own. Okay? So, shout out po sa mga bears sa San Jose. Belated happy birthday po kay Small Bear, kay Mama Bear, and to myself. Okay? More birthdays to come, mga bears. Miss you. Miss ko na namin po kayo ni Galo dito sa Manila. Yaan nyo po, malapit na magpasko. Sana po ay okay na po tayo lahat sa COVID at wala na pong restriction. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Salamat. So, and that's it. So, don't forget to like. Watch po muna kayo, then click like, then subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga uploads ng channel na ito. So, kung mayroon po kayong further questions or inquiries or topics na gusto nyo pong gawan ko ng tutorial video, just comment it in the comment section para po magawa natin ng paraan. Okay po? So, Ito po, bilang lagalagnaguro. So, was taken siguro mga 7 years ago sa Universal Studio Singapore. So, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mabuhay. Ingat.